Well, hello there. Welcome to the Gem of All Trades channel, your perfect source for everything crypto, everything Elliott. Welcome. What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the Gem of All Trades channel. I am so glad you stopped by. Had a great night trading last night, and had a great bull move that we just hit, and looking for the end of it, guys. Just want to warn you guys, give you a quick warning. Got a big correction, I think, coming. I've shifted bearish now, and I want to tell you why. Again, that's my bias. The market can do whatever it wants to. I may be wrong, but shifting bearish. I want to give you that indication why I think that. So anyway, don't forget, this isn't financial advice, but I am here to give you your daily wave update. We did nail the last move in our Discord, and the last video nailed it as well as a strong possibility. I want to share that video. Let me just share a little clip of what we shared the last video, just a couple of seconds, and you can see what we've gotten here on Bitcoin. So let's look at that. Down into the bearish abyss, right? But what else could it be? Well, just before I go into that, looking at the 4-hour chart, we've got this little wedge working here. We could be working our way back up for either a bullish wave that takes out the top, which I'm inclined to think right now. If this thing gets a little bit more bullish here, I'd like to see a 5-wave move that kind of goes up. Now, it may or may not happen. I don't know if it's going to happen. All right, there you go. Didn't know it was going to happen, but I was ready for it, and we traded it, and that was fantastic. Need some help in your trading, and you want to see those kind of, learn to see those kinds of waves that are possible in the wave structure. I'd love to have you on the channel. Just watch daily, and you can pick up Elliott Wave like that, or come to the Discord where we teach Elliott Wave. We've got lots of videos and lessons. I've even got a free playlist here on the YouTube channel called Trading Night School. You just go find those as well. Anyway, with that said, we got the move to the upside. So let's look at Bitcoin here. And so we got that move, that bullish move, taking out the top. I'm expecting probably a little bit more move to the upside today as it works today. But guys, the Bitcoin chart isn't as clear as XRP and the and ETH, and so I'm going to show you and also ADA. To be honest with you, the XRP, ETH, and ADA charts are so much clearer than BTC that I'm actually going to predict what I think Bitcoin's going to do based on ETH, XRP, and ADA. Okay, but basically, what I think, just to let you know very quickly, is that we're going to get a little bit more upside today. Probably it's going to push its way up. What we call the FOMO wave in our group, just the wave that gets you guys, retail traders, all excited. We're going, and then all of a sudden you get this reversal, okay, and then this bigger correction that you're like, what in the world just happened? So anyway, looking for some kind of a downward move that's pretty extensive. Okay, that'll probably come and break this trend line here. I don't know how deep. I'm going to give you some ideas, but let me show you the ETH chart, which is beautiful right now. So the ETH chart really has beautiful structure right now, and here's what I'm expecting here. What we began with is what we call a 3-wave move that I've labeled here as a WXY. Let me turn that white and make it a little smaller here, just so we can differentiate the subwaves from the major waves. There you go. So there's a 3-wave move to the downside. Now what we've got here is a classic flat. It's beautiful. Let me throw the measurements on it, and let me throw the measurements on the first wave, and you'll see how corrective waves measure. Corrective waves measure between the 1-to-1 and the 1-6-1-8. They stop and they reverse in that what we call the corrective pocket in our Discord. This is the corrective pocket right here, okay, between the 1-to-1 extension and the 1-6-1-8, and we got this reversal here. Okay, that's exactly what we expected at this level. Okay, and so we were able to go long in this area and trade some shorts as well. We actually traded several different trades within this area, and then yesterday we really got bullish, and we took some long trades here, and then last night we took this last leg to the upside as well. Yeah, here is a call that I made last night. Just a signature trade setup last night, and I didn't prepare the what actually happened, but this is the 5-minute chart, and I was expecting a 5th wave to the upside, and sure enough, that's exactly what we're getting. This is my signature trade. If you want to screenshot that, there it is for free. You can learn that in the Discord and how to understand that. Okay, So with that said,
but we're watching it.
oh, sorry, wrong channel there. With that, I've got all kinds of stuff going on. There we go. I'm where I need to be. Anyway, with all that said, we have now what's a classic flat. What is a flat? A flat is basically a 335 that measures anywhere from the 1-to-1 all the way to the 2618 if it gets extended, and this one is actually an extended flat. Okay, but I'm going to show you the beautiful wave structure here. The an Elliott wave is, I mean, this is just the most gorgeous structure I've seen in quite a while. And whenever we get gorgeous structures, we also are a little tentative, so be careful here. But we got a 3-wave move there. We got a 3-wave move there. That's not as pretty, but it's there. And then look at this 5-wave move: 3, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're getting the 5th wave. We need this 5th wave to finish, and right now I believe the 5th wave is not finished. But if you want to see an Elliott, a perfect example of an Elliott wave, there it is right there. This is what an Elliott wave looks like, okay, and this is what we're getting. It's so gorgeous. So anyway, worth your study, guys, worth your study. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart and look at this last wave and say when might it be finished. It's close to being done now. Excuse me. Let's look at it. Okay, what we expect here with the 5th wave, in this last wave to the upside, okay, is we expect 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're expecting a 5th wave to the upside. That's what I expect. There's nothing that says it has to do it. The market doesn't have to play that way. It might be already finished and heading to the downside. I don't think that. I think it's going to make another high. Personally, I think it's going to work its way up like that and give us a nice 5-wave structure. When we pull the fibs on an impulse wave, we look for the 3rd wave to come to the 1618, and you'll notice that this one between the 1618 and any 618 higher of that. So we got a 1, 2. This one came to the 2618. It's a perfect place for a wave 3. Got a pullback of a wave 4, which actually came to the 382 retrace, which is perfect where we expect it to, and then looking for a 5th wave to finish. So looking for 5 waves in this 5th wave to finish. Once that's done, guys, once we get a 5-wave move here, I think this wave is complete, and we're looking for a short in Ethereum. Okay, and that's just a beautiful structure. What would we expect here in this wave? Well, we would expect a Y wave. That we started with a 3-wave W wave, 3 waves right there. We got a 3-wave X, and now we're going to get a Y. The other possibility that we need to entertain here, is that we get 5 waves down, and it's an ABC. It's a 335. Let me see if this came back 90%. I didn't check that. Yes, it came back 90%. So actually, we're actually looking for 5 waves to the downside. So the count wouldn't be a WXY. It would actually be an A, B, and a C. It still gives us the same targets. It's just how we expect the wave to come down very quickly in 5 waves, something like that. Okay, same target zones. Okay, and I'd be targeting this area right here where we have the top of this wave, the bottom of this wave. Lots of going on in there. So this is a nice target zone for about 2700, 2750 to 2800 in that ballpark. Okay, looks like we're getting divergence on the 1-hour chart, which is what we expect to see. And for a 5th, between the 3rd and the 5th wave, looking good for the downside. As long as we wick up here for a 5th and then come down. So that's just really, really beautiful structure, and that's my primary bias, guys. Now, can the market go up? You better believe it can go up. Can it completely negate everything I said? Sure. But what Elliott gives me is something to look for, and now I have a trade idea, and with really, really precise targets and precise wave structure that I'm looking for a nice trade. So that's what Elliott gives me. If you want to learn that, I'd invite you into our Discord to learn alongside of us. All right, with that said, that's Ethereum. Let's look at XRP, which is equally as beautiful. XRP is gorgeous. Okay, it's even more gorgeous than Ethereum. So we had this initial A wave to the downside. It could be 5, it could be 3. I'm not sure how to count that. Kind of looks like 5. I think it measures like 5 as well. I just think some of the subwave counts are not so great. But yeah, that counts like 5. That's no problem there. Measures like 5. So that's an A wave, a 5 wave to the downside. Now we're getting a 3-wave pullback here, which is what we expect. An A and then a B wave is going to be 3 waves. And it's also a flat. It measures and looks like a flat as well. what you'll see here is we have boom, 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 and then 5 waves to the upside. And we're looking for this last wave to finish. And I'm expecting one more hit to the high to finish right in here between the 1414 and the 1618, and looking for a short in XRP. That's beautiful. Again, one more hit to the high, maybe that's a maybe. It looks like it's working right now. We'll see. Or it's already topped out and we're going down. It's one of the two, and I don't know which. But I believe, based on ETH, one more hit to the high. But like I said, it might already have topped out. So with that said, regardless, looking for a short in there. So because of ETH, because of XRP, I'm expecting BTC to go ahead and probably hit one more hit to the high, and then give us a strong down move. Let's look at ADA. ADA is gorgeous here. You look on the 1 hour chart. We've got now I don't know if my overall count is correct, my 1, 2 here, but we have a definite 5 waves right here. That's a beautiful Elliott wave right there. It's gorgeous. Looks like we're about finished. ADA is very much on the cusp of being completely done with this move to the upside. I know we broke the top, guys, but we're expecting a pretty major move to the downside here, a pretty big correction here, a largish wave, at least something to this degree, something like that, minimum. So expecting a correction in ADA, but it's looking great. It's really a pretty wave. It's got a gorgeous Elliott there. It could be 1, 2, 3, could get a 4th and then a 5th, like that. That's possibly ADA. Looking for about maybe $3 for a high if that wave plays out. Anywhere from $2.80 to $3 might be a nice target for ADA, but that's looking really good. So with all that said, guys, I'm expecting a down move, guys. I'm expecting a bearish move to the downside. Don't get too bullish here, okay? We're going to be looking for a short here over the next either tonight or tomorrow or sometime, setting up on the chart. We're going to be looking for our setup. Like I said, if you want to join us in that, I have a signal group that is where I share setups. That's my second tier. If you want to join become a Patreon supporter. Second tier is where you'll gain the setups, and it'll pay for itself through the month. It should, if you're trading with good risk management. Now, if you don't know how to trade, it may not pay for itself, because you can still have a setup and lose trades left and right. So you have to learn how to trade. That's why we have the educational part of the Discord, and that's the first tier. So if you just want the education plus the 2 daily live streams that I do every day, I do a morning and an evening live. And then I'm available through the day to chat and to help out identifying structures, and you get access to our community where we have over 200 traders in there all over the world, all time zones, trading together, offering their ideas, sharing what they're doing, long or short, or what their ideas are, what their Elliott wave counts are, and things of that nature. It's just a great place to be, guys. I just want to invite you, and I was just reminded after last night and just the community that we had and the enjoyment that we had together trading this particular wave that it's a great place to be. So I want to invite you in, become a Patreon supporter, and we'll get you right into the Discord. All right, with all that said, guys, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a down move. We'll bring another video down the road here with the ideas on the larger time frame where we're headed. But that's enough for a video today. That's my next expectation. Another hit to the high, a little bit more upside, and then I'm looking for a downward move. Okay? All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to, if you like the video, if you like the content, just share the love and hit the like button. And don't forget to leave a comment. Man, the YouTube algorithm loves comments, okay? And listen, you don't have to hit the like button. You can press it. You can gently click it. Any way of activating that like button would surely help my channel out and help me out as I bring the information to you. With that said, share the love in the comments, and we'll see you in the comments and maybe in the Discord. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.